We all love pets that are cute. But this does not mean that these animals will also love us. This episode we will talk about 10 cute animals that can kill you. You might have seen videos of the cute panda trying to move from tree to tree. Or is it, my eyes, trying to eat the bamboo with difficulty? The first impression when you see a video like this is that you will want to take this cute teddy bear in your lap and play with it. Bees, what rash you do like this? Yes, pandas depend on bamboo for their food. However, the panda is a very moody creature and gets angry quickly if it senses any other kind, and in 2015 there was an incident of a panda that was being chased by people in one of the villages. And when this panda ran away from them, she entered a small farm, and unfortunately for the owner of the farm, he was present at the time. The panda quickly attacked the man and slashed his legs. But the man survived this incident. This is just one of many examples of panda accidents. Although the dolphin is considered the friend of man in the sea, this breast has a very strange behavior. He is the only creature besides humans that has been cursed to be killed without any reason. Although there are not many attacks on humans, this does not mean that in many cases it was recorded. In the year 1994, a dolphin attacked me in Brazil, killing one of them and breaking the ribs of the other. And in another one before that, it was reported that when he was near the island of Sherkin in Ireland, a dolphin tried to drown him deliberately. The slow loris is very cute. So much so that just what you see, you will feel sympathy for him. It is not far from you to want to keep your pet, but if this happens, your life will be in danger for sure. Besides, it is illegal to own slow lorises, a very, very deadly animal. It is considered the most poisonous animal in the whole world. And the way the loris deals with poison in a strange way. And it is that he blows the poison from his elbow and takes it in the mouth of his mouth and combines it with his saliva so that his bite turns into a death bite, and the strange thing is that the loris also adopts the exact same behavior of the cobra. When he senses danger, he prefers to make a hissing sound, like a cobra, and start moving, swaying, just like a cobra. Dum quantum or all mutos, and that is known for his fame in ballet. It is very distinctive with its wonderful beauty and splendor. Many people think that it is one of the creatures that exist in the world. However, Al-Tam has a Muslim side that has proven to be dangerous and in some cases fatal. It is known that he is very nervous and attacks and bites anyone who tries to annoy him. And in many recorded incidents, El-Tamane tried to drown the children she was playing with. Their long and strong neck and sharp teeth contribute greatly to the danger of its attacks. His behavior is also aggressive, and he is not satisfied with hitting a blow and walking, but he is determined to attack to the extent that he chases anyone, even if this person escapes in front of him. The cassowary is considered the most dangerous bird in the world. It is a beautiful Australian bird. However, his behavior is extremely violent and dangerous. And the arrival of Al-Shabnam Dithmana and 40 km per hour. The most dangerous thing is the method of his attack. The Shabnam rushes towards the target at full speed and pounces on it from afar while directing his sharp claws towards the target. He inserts this into the stomach or back of the prey and cuts the entire intestine. And its claws are so long and sharp that in ancient times it was a special orphan to take its claws and ride them as weapons on the heads of spears. Although the human mortality rate by cassava is rare, it is also in recorded cases. People are always advised to stay away from their own areas. Sea leopards are on the shore, they look beautiful and cute. The texture of their skin and the gentle features of their gentlemen make anyone like to be close to them. Indeed, they have proven their worth in attracting people to most of the zoos in the world. However, they are closer to being dangerous than being gentle creatures. The reason is that their behavior and the way they attack caused a large number of human injuries as well as deaths. Apart from the killer whale, the tiger is the most dangerous hunter in Antarctica. And his favorite meal is penguins. However, cases were recorded in which divers attacked and dragged them into the hall in an attempt to drown them. Their sharp teeth and strong jaws allow their bite to cut through a large portion of meat. And the year 2 and 3 is a biologist named Kristen Brown. She was killed by a sea leopard while diving near the research station where she was working. And this tiger bit her by the legs and dragged her to the bottom until she died by drowning. Because of the scientific name of the pressure on the poison, his name is evidence of its seriousness. And this cute colored frog has different types. Each type of them has a different proportion of poison. And the type that I harass the most is the golden frog. The reason is that the golden frog has enough poison to kill 10 adults. The most important thing is that you do not touch their colored skin, no matter how attractive it is to you. Because their poison is stored in the skin glands. The strange thing is that when this frog is bred in the laboratory, it is not raw. This made scientists expect that it absorbs the poison itself and the insects that it feeds on in the forest. After that, he takes their poison and uses it. The puffer is one of the cutest fish found in the depths of the ocean. It was used in SpongeBob and Finding Nemo. But this does not prevent it from being fatal. But the strange thing is that it will be more deadly after she herself dies. It is served for dinner with a famous Japanese recipe called fugu. And the plump, which is alive, contains a toxic compound called tetrodotoxin. As a form of self-defense. And sting only one of them and it will be the last day of your life. And Meshbe's keta will also be a difficult day. However, this is not the most famous possibility of poisoning through it. The most famous case of poisoning was that someone ate the fugu recipe from a cook who was not professional in dealing with the fugue. And what was estimated that he extracted all the poison completely from the fish during preparation. Once one is poisoned, he will have vomiting, muscle paralysis, high heart rate, and an inability to breathe. Deaths range from 10 to 50% of those who have been poisoned. Until today. There is no antidote for its poison. The cute creature that has a beaver's body and a duck's horn is called the platypus. It is the only animal that lays eggs. And not just because it looks like a mix of cute animals, it will also be cute. The platypus has a claw on its back foot that contains enough poison for a dog, and this small claw is about 1.5 centimeters long, and the poison in it is produced from a gland located in the hip, and this poison is used in fighting with other animals, although its sting may not be fatal to humans sometimes, but that the amount of poison in it causes the mother to be very severe. The ant bear is almost domestic, and its diet is limited, but on small insects. In general, it is considered one of the most peaceful animals in the world. However, the defensive side of the ant bear is a side that no one wishes to meet, and although it usually starts the attack, but when someone assaults the ground Patha defends her desperately in his defense of her giant sharp claws. Ashan turns it from a normal injury to a fatal injury. The bear stands on its hind legs, is moderately diced, and hits with full force. In some cases, which were recorded for the bear ant attacking humans. And other cases also killed them. And because it is one of the favorite prey of large wild cats such as jaguars. His cell is accustomed to defending himself against strong enemies of large size. This will increase his danger if he meets humans. If you like the video, give us a like. And if you want to see more videos of us, click on any of the 2 pictures in front of you.